You want to sell fast? You want to close deals fast? I've got the answer for you on today's episode of the Dave Lorenzo Daily. Hey, it's Dave Lorenzo. Welcome to another edition of the Dave Lorenzo Daily. Today we're talking about relationship-based sales and why it is so powerful. If you want to close deals faster, you need to call on your natural network. These are the people with whom you already have relationships. This is the easiest way to get referred in and to connect with people who will do business with you because they already know you, like you, and trust you. First, let me explain what your natural network is. This is a group of people who you already have in your contacts database. Now, each of us knows about 250 people. By the time we graduate from college and we go out into the working world, each of us knows about 250 people. Those people can connect you with people who will buy your products and services. So it makes sense for you to educate them on what you do, how you do it, and why you're so valuable. So you need to help them understand why you're different from everybody else who does what they do, and you need to help them understand how they can get into a conversation that will lead to a referral for you. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your email contacts file right now, and I want you to go through it and pull everybody out that's in there. Just pull them all out. First name and email address. If you haven't talked to them in 10 years, that's fine. I want you to put those folks into an email database. You can use your client relationship management system, your CRM system. You can use an email service like MailChimp or Constant Contact. You can use Salesforce.com or any of the client relationship management systems. Doesn't matter to me what you're using. I want everyone in there. I want your grandmother in there. I want the people you went to high school and college with in there. Everybody who you've got a good email address for, I want in there. I want you to send them an email and let them know that you miss them and you want to get in touch with them and stay in touch with them and that you're thinking about them. This is a personalized email to each person. That's one of the main reasons why you're using an email system. Once you send out that email, I want you to start emailing them every week. And in the first few emails, I want you to say, let's get back in touch. Please give me a call so we can catch up. That's what I want you to do to start. I want 4 weeks of emails where you're emailing them, telling them how you're thinking about them, how they're top of mind for you, and how you want to get back in touch because you're thinking about them. Then I want you to call through that entire list. I want you to call everyone. And here's the script I want you to use. You're going to pick up the phone, and you're going to say hi, and you're going to use their name. It's so great to reconnect with you. I've been thinking about you and all those great times we had back in school, back at this other job, back when we were together in this place at this time. Tell me how things are going for you. And then they'll ask how things are going for you, and you'll get into a natural conversation based on your relationship, and you'll talk about your work and what you do. And then you'll close the conversation by saying, it's been great to catch up with you. I really enjoyed this conversation. Let's stay in touch. I'm going to add you to my weekly email newsletter. If there's ever anybody I can introduce you to, that's what I'm here for. That's it. You're there to catch up with them, to reinitiate a relationship, to let them know about the value you provide, and to see if there's anything you can do for them, whether it's from a sales perspective, but more importantly, from a relationship perspective. I want you to deliver value first to them. Introduce them to someone. And that's the next step. After you hang up the phone, I want you to think of someone you can introduce that person to that will help them achieve a goal or solve a problem. Make that connection either via email, via telephone, or if you can, in person, and you'll be amazed at the referrals that come from this. So let's say you have a natural network of 250 people. I want you to connect with those 250 people. I want you to make a phone call, tell them you're thinking about them, catch up with them, see what's going on in their lives, explain the value you provide, and then ask what problem you can help them solve or who you can introduce them to. And then when you hang up the phone, make that connection. This is the quickest way to get more referrals. You'll drill down through your natural network and be successful at landing a couple of new pieces of business just from this one strategy. This is relationship-based sales at its finest, and I want you to go through your natural network right now because there's money in there and you're leaving it on the table. I'm Dave Lorenzo, and I appreciate you joining me here today on the Dave Lorenzo Daily. Please hit the subscribe button. If you liked what you heard today, hit the thumbs up, and make sure we stay connected. Make sure you ring the bell at the top of the page to get the notifications so you know whenever I upload a new video, which is just about every single day. Thanks for joining me today. We'll see you right back here tomorrow on another edition of the Dave Lorenzo Daily.